If you think luxury only exists in big motorhomes, wait till you see these amazing Class C motorhomes under 25 feet that scream pure luxury. These are 6 of the smallest Class C RVs in the world. So, the first name to make it to our top 6 is the East to West Entrada. Selling usually at a price of around $80,000, this is a very nice 23 feet 10-inch long RV with some amazing luxury features for the customers. Built on the E350 chassis, the vehicle comes with a big deck on top of the cab area that's made of fiberglass and looks fantastic. Stepping inside the RV through a mid-sized entry door, you have the dinette and kitchen section that's both beautiful and usable. For example, the dinette sofas come with built-in storage compartments that can come in very handy in your journeys. In the kitchen section as well, you get a nice cooktop burner and a microwave oven to fulfill your cooking needs. Obviously, the countertop area is less in these RVs as compared to large motorhomes. However, there is a countertop extender in case you want to use that. A big thing to notice here is the large refrigerator with a built-in freezer. It can store almost all your food items and beverages, giving you extra convenience. Unlike other RVs, the sink area is outside the bathroom section in the Entrada, making the bathroom more spacious and the sink more usable. Then there is the bedroom area that's actually the first and the only slide-out in the RV. Here, you get a walk-around queen-sized bed that can easily fit 2 adults. The bedroom also has a very nice lighting setup along with some large storage cabinets to store your stuff. Now, we come directly to the cab area that's a very well-designed space in terms of seating and all. Just above the cab, you also get a very cozy bunk bed with a holding capacity of 350 pounds that is well-equipped with a large movable TV. Perfect for an adult or 2 kids. Up next on our list is the Winnebago Vita 24P that has been brought back in the market after a couple of years, and it's better, more classy, and more luxurious than ever. Starting at a market price of $192,135, the Class C RV lengths 24 feet and 5 inches. On the exterior, the RV boasts of a really nice double-color full-body paint job that keeps it looking gorgeous. There is also a very large storage area where you can keep your massive travel stuff without any hurdles. Then there is also a very nice slide topper on top of the slide-out and a big 15-foot awning under which you can rest and chill. On the inside, the first thing that impresses you a lot is how spacious the interior is. The slide-outs are managed in such a good way that it feels like you're in a proper 30-feet motorhome. The same space can be seen in the kitchen area as well, where you get so much counter space to work on. You get a nice 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave, a nice large double sink, and a very beautiful pantry area to keep your food. There is also a big smart TV above the kitchen wall, and when you remove it, you get more space there. The refrigerator in the Winnebago Vita 24P is also a regular-sized 12V item, so no compromises there. In the dinette area, you get a beautiful table and sofa set up with a big window on the sidewall that brings so much natural light into the RV. The table can also be lowered or lifted if required. That's another plus. The bedroom area includes a big bed that is especially designed for better comfort and has so much liberty for your preferences. Like if you want to hang a TV in your bedroom all of a sudden, no worries. It's possible. Not just that, the bathroom also looks fantastic, with a straight door and a porcelain toilet that isn't usually available in such a price range. There is also a nice pretty shower that looks very luxurious. But the overall praise of the Vita 24P cannot be done without mentioning the amazing cab area and the bunk bed above it. It's not only comfortable but also has a hidden storage area that is just magnificent. It's hard to find such luxury in a small RVs, isn't it? The next super amazing RV to make it out list is the Thor Geneva 22VA, which starts at a market rate of $110,000. Built on the Ford E325 chassis, this is a 24.08 feet long Class C that's well reputed in the market for its high-class luxury features and sheer performance. Right on the front of the vehicle, You can see a very vibrant design with the overhead bunk and the large windshield. On the sides as well, the RV has an amazing paint finish and a huge storage cabinet on the back of the side. Such a big storage area is very rare in such small Class C RVs, and that's one of the traits that make this RV worthy of being on our list. One more such luxury feature in the RV is the motorized awning that comes out with built-in LED lights. Stepping inside the RV, you get the typical E-Series cockpit area with a nicely designed cab section and an overhead bed. However, the special thing about this bed is that it can hold up to 800 pounds of weight, which means 2 adults can sleep here very comfortably. One of the best sections of this whole RV is its dinette area that has a huge window on the side walls of the sofas and the table. This gives you a very good view of the outside, so you can have your perfect breakfast while watching the lively wildwood around your camp area. Not just that, the table can be folded down to make a bed using the sofas. If you have any kids with you, this can be their perfect little bed. In the kitchen area, you get a regular oven and microwave, cooktop burner, and a large refrigerator. There is also a countertop extender that can come in very handy in such small RVs. Then we have a corner bedroom that really looks so classy because of the elegant design and the huge storage cabinets. And just beside the bedroom, there is a magnificent bathroom and shower area that looks like the bathroom of a regular 30-feet Class A luxury motorhome. If you're already excited about these 3 super awesome Class C trucks, hold on to your seats even tighter, because we even have a European Class C in our list. Let's move on. The Coachmen Crosstail 20XG is a 24 feet 2-inch long Class C RV, starting at $183,000. Made on the Ford Transit chassis, the RV offers all-wheel drive mode and has a big solar panel on the roof that acts as an amazing power supply. At the back side of the RV, there is a huge cargo area where you can store loads of stuff without any trouble, or even keep your bike if you like riding it in the morning. At first glance, this RV appears to have no bed. But wait, when we take a look inside, there is also a grill installed beside the entry door that offers you some nice cooking options. Stepping inside the RV, you get the neat and clean cab area. There is no bunk bed here. On the ceiling, there is a large TV installed. The dinette area also looks very classy with a nice table and 2 comfortable sofas installed on each side that'll make you feel like pure luxury. The overall decor follows with a big window and some pretty spacious storage cabinets. In the kitchen area, you get a compact yet clean designed sink, microwave oven, an induction cooktop, a mid-sized refrigerator, and you can never miss the well-designed pantry area. The bathroom area is another big highlight of the RV that includes a smart toilet and a pretty spacious shower area that's neatly tiled to give you a proper home-like feel. And then we got to the big storage area again. Now if you look carefully upwards, there you will find the bed. A simple push of a button brings it down, which is quite original in its design. The Giottiline Siena 322 is an Italian C-Class motorhome that boasts of its small size yet large features. Starting at a market price of $58,000, the length of the motorhome is merely 19.5 feet, making it one of the smallest RVs out there. However, as you step inside the RV, you can witness the sheer luxury this little vehicle holds. Starting with the cab area, you get swiveling seats that can be made part of the dinette set by rotating the seats towards the table that can be extended to make seating for 4 people very easily. Just above it, there is a bunk bed that can be slid down using a button and can be used by 1 adult very comfortably. In the kitchen area, you get a 2-burner cooktop and a nice little sink with a faucet. Plus, you get a countertop extender that can be used for chopping vegetables and fruits. In the Giottiline Siena, you also get a pretty large 12-volt refrigerator that enhances the overall appeal of the RV. On the other side of the fridge, you have the bathroom section secured with a very sleek-looking door. This Class C RV has a luxurious full bathroom that has a toilet cassette, a really nice shower area with shower heads and faucets, and a nice sink. One of the best parts about the bathroom is the folding privacy door that separates the shower from the toilet section. For a Class C RV, this is an excellent feature that is well praised by the customers. There are multiple small yet very usable features in the bathroom that add to its overall luxury and class. For example, there is a nice towel hanger there, a very big mirror, and a deep storage cabinet beneath the sink so you can store your shampoos and soaps. Also, the toilet cassette can swivel, so you can adjust that as per your preference as well. Once again, these are minor things, but make a huge impact. Moving on to the bedroom area, there is a large double bed with such an amazing storage cabinet design that makes it really rich in appearance. You get storage cabinets on the bed stairs and even beneath the bed. The bed can also be easily lifted to make way towards the large garage that opens on the outside on the passenger side. Here, you can keep your bicycles or other large items while you're out camping in the woods. And one more thing, there is a big sky roof panoramic window in the cab area that cries out luxury. You can't miss that at any cost. It's time for our final member that has made it to our list of the top 6 most luxurious Class C RVs under 25 feet. This is Winnebago Ekko, that is 24 feet 6 inches and starts at a price of $230,000 in the market. The whole RV speaks of luxury on different parameters, whether you are looking for a mind-blowing interior or a never-seen-before exterior. The exterior looks very modern, and it has enough storage space for your stuff. This RV has no slide-outs but does have a cool pop-top roof, which I don't see much in Class C RVs either. Let's talk about the living room and the kitchen area of the RV. Well equipped with 2 big soft chairs and an extendable hanging table, the living area looks very minimal and neat. In the kitchen area, you get a typical Class C RV setup with a compact countertop, 2 burner cooktop, a concealable sink area that you can also use as the countertop, an oven, and a nice big refrigerator. Then the bathroom space should also be well praised. It is a very sleek-looking bathroom. It contains a nice tap, sink, and very nice mirror. But if you pull the wall towards you, a shower suddenly appears. Something we have not yet seen in the other Class C RVs on our list. On the back side, there are 2 separate beds that can be turned into a large king-size bed by adjusting the cushions. This is very smart for such a small RV. Last but not the least, the biggest highlight of the RV is the pop top, where you can climb up using the attached ladder and have a nice view of the outside from the area. It also has a sleeping area for one, so you can spend some time there, no problem in that. Which Class C RV do you think should have made it to our list but hasn't? Let us know in the comments. If you want to explore a big luxury Class C motorhome, click on this video, and I'll see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.